Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to QMake Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, the Chinese steel market to continue to show a weak trend. Whether for domestic or for export prices, we have seen both futures and spot prices drop slightly. Then what's behind this development? Currently, the macro landscape has not offered any new stimulus, so the market is closely focusing on the supply and demand right now. Looking at market transactions this week, it's clear that consumption is still pretty sluggish, and that correlates with recent weather conditions. The southern regions have been hit with long-lasting raining days, with heavy rainfall in many places, even causing flooding. This bad weather is having a really negative impact in the short term. Given the weak demand during this off-season without positive economic policy, the market sentiment is quite down. Therefore, it's quite tough to shake off this bearish trend for now. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent demand dropped by 19,000 tons, and inventories grew by 140,000 tons, reaching a 6-week high. Production also increased by more than 190,000 tons, marking a new high for the year. This big increase in both production and inventory really tells how weak the demand is. So what's next for the steel market? Looking ahead, we don't see much chance for the supply and demand imbalance improving much, with still much pressure on the prices. However, from the mill side, prices for rebar and hot-rolled coils are already near the cost level, so there's not much room for price drop either. We are likely to see prices maintain weak performance during the off-season. In the meantime, for pricing trends, let's keep an eye on macro expectations, the implementation of production cut policies, as well as demand variations after the rainy season. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!